Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about the upcoming updates in Shopify. One of these updates is Filter by Category Meta Fields. In Shopify, we already have options to filter products within collections based on criteria like in-stock or out-of-stock and according to price range. To enhance this functionality, we install an app called Shopify Search and Discovery into our store for advanced filtering options. With this update, meta objects have been added to the filtering options. For instance, I've already installed the Search and Discovery app into my store. Let me show you how to add filters using this app. Currently, I've already added 4 filters to my store. If I add another filter and select the source, you'll notice that all the meta fields or meta objects I've created are displayed here. Now, I can filter products in my store based on these meta fields or meta objects. For example, I've added a meta object called Additional Product. All its values are now visible here. I'll save this and refresh my collection page. After refreshing, you can see that the meta object named Additional Product is now displayed as a filter. If I select it, all the products linked to the fields under this meta object will appear here. And when click on phone holder, the product is showing here. This update in the Shopify Search and Discovery app allows you to use meta fields or meta objects to filter products on your website effectively. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.